National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Pulaski County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, west central Ballard County, Kentucky, northwestern Mississippi County, Missouri, central Scott County, Missouri, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bertrand, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charleston, Carroll, Benton, Bertrand, Mounds, Thames, Mound City, Olive Branch, Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area, and Thebes. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Mississippi, and Scott, and the following counties in Illinois, Alexander and Pulaski, and Ballard, Kentucky. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.